Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to fix iPhone 12 Pro Max. The problem of the phone is short, okay? It caused by dropping into the water. And firstly we need to use the multimeter and point to the audio sound that we can hear sound from the multimeter. We have to remove the LCD and then the battery connector, and we need to measure the battery connector. Okay, remember that we need to use the black, okay, the black one on any part of the ground. Okay, and there are many parts of the ground, G and D. Okay, so I use the SIM card for ground or anywhere. Okay, all right, so just okay, if you can hear sound, okay, you can hear sound from both sides, both from the both pins of the battery connector. That means the phone is short. Okay, you can hear that. If the phone is not short, it's supposed to hear only one sound from one pin. Okay, if you can hear the two sound from the two pins, that means the phone is short to the ground. And then we have to remove the motherboard from the body. Right here the battery sticker is broken, so I have to use some heat, apply some heat on the back of the body and take the body out, the battery out, and be very careful when removing the battery, because it can cause an explosion. Okay, explosive. Okay, be very careful. Alright, this is the motherboard. Okay, after that we have to measure the two pins again. Okay, you can hear the sound from the both pins. That means the phone is still short. Okay, firstly we need to clean the motherboard by using some kinds of liquid. Right here I'm using an alcohol with electric cleaner. Okay, and we have to use the toothbrush or something that you can clean the motherboard and make sure everything is clean. Okay, because it can cause some rusty when the board falling into the water, so we have to clean all the part and everywhere that we think that it is rusty. Okay, right here I'm using the electric cleaner. It is called electric cleaner. Okay, then we have to apply more heat to make sure that the motherboard is dry. And we have to measure the board again, which is still short. Okay, you can hear it from the both pins, so the board is still short. Alright, so that we have to use the microscope to see the smallest parts of the phone, because we cannot see by our own eyes. Okay, after using the microscope, I can see now that is the rusty part near the battery connector. It got rusty. You see that right here? That is the rusty. So we need to check that point. Okay, right. So we have to remove the shield from the top of the board. Before breaking apart of the two board, we need to check the top board first. Okay, before removing or before breaking the two part of the board. I'm using this tool to remove it. And we have to be very careful while removing the shell, because some component will be broken if we don't be very careful. I'm sorry for this video on the removing the shell. Oh, everyone cannot see clear. Okay, I'm trying to remove it. It took me about 5 minutes for removing this, because I need to be very careful. Alright, after removing this, we need to clean the motherboard again. Okay, after that we need to apply more heat to make sure the motherboard is dry. Okay, we do this because after cleaning all the components of the motherboard, it can be fixed. Okay, but the phone is still short after cleaning, because I can hear a sound from the both pins of the battery connector. Alright, after that we need to check the capacitor. Okay, the capacitor, is it short? And the way to know that the capacitor is short, whenever we can hear two sounds from the two pins of the component. If you can hear only one sound, that means the capacitor is not short. Right here I found one capacitor is short, because I can hear two sounds from the two pins of the capacitor. Right there. Okay, that I'm sorry. Okay, right here is the short capacitor that I can hear the two sounds from the two pins. So I need to use this schematic in order to see the way from the capacitor to the component, the connection of the capacitor. That is called Borneo schematic. Do you have that? I don't know. Alright, so wait and see right here. Okay, down here. So there are many connection. As you can see, the connection is to the other part of the motherboard. But don't be worried, we have to check the top board first before doing anything, because sometimes we can fix that by checking only the top board. Okay, so what should we do next? I think we have to use the shot killer. Okay, alright, I'm using the shot killer But before using the short cooler, we have to apply this kinds of, I don't know what is it called in English, I'm sorry, but I hope that everybody know that we use this because whenever we want to check the short part of the motherboard, whenever we use the short killer, we can see the clearer flash of the motherboard. This is the short killer. Okay, turn it on and make it to the 2 point. Okay, we have to choose the black one to any ground. You have to know which one is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. I choose this one for the ground, and the red one, we need to point the red one to the red pin. Okay, right here is the red pin, and you have to see the red circle. Okay, I want to show you again more slowly that the red circle is the real short. Okay, you can see any happen on that. You can see, as you can see, there is something happen with the capacitor. So after that, we have to remove and clean the motherboard. After that, we need to check the battery connector again. Okay, we can hear only one sound from only one pin. Okay, this sound is from the ground, and this one is it's not a ground, so it's not supposed to hear sound. So that means the motherboard is not short now, so that we have to put back the motherboard to the body and try to turn it on. It works. I'm sorry for my English. It may be difficult to understand because I'm not very good at English. But I hope everybody understand that what I'm doing on this video, because I want to show how to fix the short motherboard. Okay, just try to turn it on. It should work because the battery connector is not short now. The battery is lost, so we need to connect the battery. Okay, so that's it. That's okay. Thank you for watching.